Hi, my name is Blair Zettel, founder of Gravity Brain Learning Inc. and the brand BZabc. This is the QuickStart video for the BZabc Parents private study. To begin, go to BZabc.tv or install the Parents App from either Google Play or the Apple Store. Step 2. Sign up for your parent account. All that is required is an active email address and a password. Step 3. Sign up your child with their own username and password. Add more learners at any time. Step 4. Purchase a subscription. A 90-day free trial is currently available. Step 5. In the dashboard, go to the Enroll tab and enroll your children in up to 3 courses. Change at any time. Step 6. Now, download and install the BZabc Kids App. Now the fun begins. Step 7. Sign in with your child's credentials. Their avatar is here on the dashboard for next time. Step 8. Choose a course. Step 9. Watch videos and complete quizzes. You'll be guided automatically through lessons. Step 10. Now look back in the Parents app under Reports to see how your child has done in terms of progress and performance in all of their courses. A detailed data log of all of their work is available here, while course icons offer tabular data organized by unit, lesson, and attempt. Okay, that's it for our QuickStart video. You should be off and running now. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me. My email is office@bzabc.tv. My phone number is 1-306-570-6488. That's it for now. See you again on BZabc.